Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Bali, ito na po yung ating batch 27 na floaters. Isa-save ko na. Tapos, pakinggan nyo na lang po yung final output pagkatapos ng ating video na ito. I-upload ko po yung final output para ma-appreciate nyo yung quality. Kasi pag sa mic lang ng cellphone, hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung quality ng floaters. So, i-upload ko po sa next ng video na ito. So, maraming salamat po sa nagpagawa. Konting antay na lang po, okay na itong pinagawa nyo. Salamat po ulit.
This is Paul Vird's Mini Sound located at Concepcion, Sierra Bullones, Bohol. Owned by Luz and Paul. This is Torres Mini Sound, owned and managed by Mr. Norberto Torres and Joey Torres, located at Manigin, Kulasi, Antique, with contact number 0962-509-3748. All the way from Barangay Banuyao, La Paz, this is Jacktech Sound Audio, owned and managed by Harder and Tolentino family. Gamay man sa panulukan, at least may ibuga. Paninguha, hindi nugay panghwa. Happy birthday greetings coming from DMS Mini Sounds. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year greetings coming from DMS Mini Sounds. DMS Mini Sounds o Barangay Ravina Sur, Cebu, Guimaras, owned and managed by Alaysa Shanaya Otokan. DMS. Basta si DMS Mini Sounds gatukar, masaot ka gidya. This is DMS Mini Sounds.